how to change language in Bigo Live. Want to use Bigo Live in your preferred language? Let's quickly change it from your profile settings. Here is how. Open Bigo Live and tap me at the bottom right corner. Tap your profile picture. On your profile screen, tap the edit or pencil icon to open your profile editing option. Scroll down and you will see section labeled language or a drop down showing current language. Tap it to open the list of available language. From the list, tap on the language you want to use. The app will update instantly or after a quick reload. And that's it. You have successfully changed the language in Bigo Live. If this helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Bigo Live tips and tricks. See you in the next one.